How to Observe Effectively for BTSA Induction by Leonor Rabasura. Want to know how to observe effectively? This short video will give you 3 easy steps to observe your credential candidate for the purpose of collecting evidence and documentation of their teaching practice. Your observation data will provide a credential candidate with valuable information about their teaching strengths and areas of growth and their students' response to their instructional strategies and curricular design. 3 steps to an effective observation. Step 1, preparation. Step 2, observing for evidence. Step 3, closure conversation. Step 1, preparation. Schedule a pre-observation meeting at least a day before. Review the following completed documents with your candidate. Lesson plan for observation. Essential plan for lesson series. Focus student selection. Identify the specific things the candidate wants you to pay most attention to. Determine which observation tool best suits the purpose of your observation. For a fact inquiry, use the appropriate observation record for each induction standard. Equity Observation Record, Part 1. Equity Observation Record, Part 2. Teaching English Learners Observation Record, Part 1. Teaching English Language Learners Observation Record, Part 2. Teaching Special Populations Observation Record, Part 1. Teaching Special Populations Observation Record, Part 2. Chunking Observation Tool. Observation Tool On-Task Behavior. Observation Tool Teacher-Student Movement Patterns. Review the contents of the observation record or tool. Together brainstorm observable data from the lesson. Schedule a post-observation meeting to conduct a closure conversation no later than 3 days after the observation. Step 2. Observing for evidence. Arrive at the agreed time and site, then sit quietly. Remember to stand when you're introduced to the students. Collect evidence. Be careful not to use statements that include opinions or judgments. A laptop is advisable to eliminate transcribing handwritten notes. A 20-minute observation is sufficient. Step 3, closure conversation. Prepare a clean copy of your observation to give to your candidate. Refer to the mediational questions placemat to guide your learning-focused conversation about the observed lesson. Review the observation data carefully. Encourage the candidate to decide and plan for next steps. Exchange statements of appreciation. Conclude the meeting on a positive note. Thank you.